BimlFlex, building business keys for Data Vault. The business key is the core information bearer in the Data Vault. It should ideally be an enterprise-wide business key and directly map the same content and join entities across source systems. As that is rarely the case, special considerations are required to craft these business keys from the contents of different source systems. Business keys are always stored as Unicode strings. Business keys are always a concatenated representation of all relevant columns. The default concatenator character is tilde. Business keys are uppercase by default. As the business key is hashed and the default SQL Server database settings are for case-insensitive databases, this is a requirement to be able to accommodate the same key with different casings. All columns that are part of the business key are by default accelerated and stored in unaltered form in a satellite. By using the flex to bk function, it is possible to create the business key from any source columns. The functions allows using the @rs code to inject the current connections record source code in the business key. This allows for easy differentiation between the same key value with different meaning from multiple sources. BimlFlex Excel metadata management solution provides a generate business key button that will create the business key column from the selected source columns and add it to the metadata. It can optionally add the @rs shortcut code and set the created key to the main business key of the tables. For the trial process, the primary key of the source tables are used for most business keys. As they are sequence keys, the record source code is added through the @rs shortcut. For other sources where there are codes that can be used directly as business keys, it is possible to just apply the flex to bk function. This is exemplified by the culture entity. There are several settings controlling the business key creation and format in the settings sheet. The trial process uses the default settings. The loaded data, in this case for the culture entity in the Data Vault, uses uppercase business key values in the business key columns. The default value is maintained in the attached default satellite. The product table uses the record source and sequence number for the business key. It is concatenated in the loaded data. The culture table uses only the source code and would be a direct integration to any other source with the same culture codes. The generated SSIS load packages derive the business key and a derived column transformation using the SSIS expression syntax representing the flex to bk function.